Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to make colors pop in Photoshop. Here is an interesting approach to make colors pop. Open your image and create a hue saturation layer. Here, desaturate the color. Next, create another hue saturation layer and in the drop-down menu, select the color of the subject that needs to be popping out. Dial it up. This way, not only the subject will be standing out from the background, but slightly desaturated background will also contribute to the contrast. You can further paint a mask in the masking layer of the saturation level to add a saturation only to the subject. With a lot of people approaching it with just saturation or vibrance, this can really help the image colors not to fight with each other for dominance. What other color manipulation techniques would you like us to cover? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.